How to turn off ring on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off ring on Snapchat easily. So first thing you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture like this and it will take you here. Now go to the top corner and click on the settings option. Now after you click on settings, or what you have to do is just go down until you find the notifications option. Click on notifications and scroll down. Scroll down, and here is the ring option. Now you can turn it off from here easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.